We are on the National Mall for AEM's 2025 celebration of construction on the National Mall. We're joined by Senator Steve Daines from the great state of Montana. Welcome, Senator. I know you've had a chance to visit a local manufacturer. What did you learn?
Well, look, this is such a great moment for Montana, for America. Here we are on the mall looking at the U.S. Capitol. We've got Montana in the mall here. We've got one of these great business in Montana, innovation from Montana, manufacturing in Montana. This is exactly what we're trying to drive here in America.
Yeah, and Falco is not only a small but mighty manufacturer, they're also a small business. So talk to me a little bit about what you're doing in the Senate to help support more small businesses, particularly in Montana.
Look, I'm a fifth generation Montana. I grew up in a small business. My dad was a contractor. I know about small business. And if you look at the numbers, small business supports and creates more jobs than big business. So the key to our success and future prosperity in America is making sure our small businesses keep growing and are successful. Frankly, it's the secret sauce to America.
It sure is. And one other thing that is so important to small business, of course, is making sure that it's just a little bit easier to make things in America. So what do you see in terms of streamlining regulations, rebalancing regulations, giving small businesses like Falco an upper hand?
Yeah, a couple things we're doing right now is it's reducing the heavy, but really boot that's on the necks of American businesses today, and small businesses, but also making sure we stop a $4.5 trillion tax increase that's coming at the end of this year if Congress doesn't act. That would be a burden on our businesses. We want to make sure they keep more money in their pocket to invest in expansion, more employees, greater sales.
Well said, Senator. Thanks for everything you do. Thanks for standing up for Montana, for equipment manufacturers.
Glad to be here.
Thanks.
Yep.